8 divided by 3, here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9. To find out the multiplication table of 3 easily, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. This process will continue. 3 goes into 8 how many times? Look, 3 times 9, which is greater, so 2 times. 2 times 3, 6. Subtract, you are getting 2. So this 2 is less than divisor 3, so our guessing to number 2 is correct. So our answer is 2 remainder 2. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then convert this whole number into decimal number, taking decimal, then adding 0. Bring down the first 0. Before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 20 how many times? 7 times 21, which is greater, so 6 times. 6 times 3, 18. Subtract 2, bring down this 0. 3 goes into 20 how many times? Again 6 times. 6 times 3, 18. Subtract 2, bring down this 0. 3 goes into 20 how many times? 6 times. 6 times 3, 18. Subtract, you are getting 2. You can bring down more 0. So now since we are getting 3 digit after decimal, we can place here 3 dots. So this is the answer. You can place a bar over 6 to mean that this 6 is repeating. So 2.6 bar is our answer.